Look at that. That thing. What is that? What is it? What's it doing? Yeah, I'm used to mean cats. Mean kitty. Oh, I love those episodes. Yeah, mean kitty. All you want to do is just buy. It's curious. I don't. Actually, so do I. You showed me a picture of it. Whoa, what are you doing? What are you doing? With my cat.
She'd run away.
Why? She smells me. I have cat all over me. If you wash my clothes, it'll still smell like cat.
No.
I also slept with Ginger. When I woke up this morning, I went showered and fell asleep in my bed with my clothes on, as I always do. This is what I do. I shower while I'm sleeping. I'm sleeping like on the tub of the shower. I still wash my hair and everything. That's so soft. Oh. Anyway, and then I sleep on the floor with some towels on me. And yeah, then I'm sick for about a half an hour. And then I get out of my bathroom, fall asleep on my bed with my clothes on. And then I do some free ski, or Ebony, or oh wait, it's got a lump there too. Huh, so my cat isn't the only one. Cat had a bad cut, like right. Oh, I can't show you. Cat's not friendly enough right now.
I can't see it. Apparently, the things.
It's size me, so it looks like. Have you ever seen a cat chase its tail?
No. She does somersaults though.
What?
Usually.
Oh, you mean like jumps up in the air? Hold on. Jumps up. Okay, it's like this, and then you'll see it's like, and then taps. Or it goes like this, and it goes backwards, and goes almost like that. That was my cat.
No. Not exactly. She'll just be running in somersaults. I don't know why. Oh.
Have you ever hit a cat with this?
One time I went back there. I went around the couch behind it.
While people were
She doesn't like balloons, by the way.
What the hell? Chick flicks? Movies about horses?
Movies like.
Oh, you got some games there.
Mirrors.
Any that I don't? Yeah, Mirror's Edge. What about this? What's that? American Idol.
No. She played it twice and got
Got them all except American Idol and this Xbox Live Arcade thing. Wait. No, I don't have. Wait, yeah, I do. I have one of the games. Anyway.
That's not right. What? In the game, she goes up the stairs and jumps off the billboard onto a crane. She's never right here. Ever. Ever. She's never on that window. Ever.
Okay.